Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is about reviews of hotels. So today we are talking about Barceló Fuerteventura Mar. Why this is a great choice for your trip in Fuerteventura? Because this is a 4-star, is a beachfront hotel, okay? So the hotel is here. In booking, very good classification, 8.4 in general. More 1000 reviews. Location is perfect, is 9.1. So staff 8.8, comfort 8.7. This is a great choice. Is of Barceló Hotel and Resort Group. It's a big brand. This hotel have 2 swimming pools, free private parking. Normally these hotels in this area have 15-20 euros per day, so this is a free private parking in a 4-star hotel, so this is rare. Wellness and spa center, fabulous breakfast. We have also this map in booking. This is what? This is a cooperation with the other hotels, okay? So this is a hotel of today, Barceló Fuerteventura Mar. You see the price of standard room is almost 200 euros per night, but you see the other options. La Casita Sun Beach, Eurostars Las Salinas. But why this is a great option in Fuerteventura? Because the location is a beachfront hotel, is near of marina, near of center. Let's see the double room. So the price is 191 euros, okay? And this is the room, double room. So we have air conditioned, private bedroom, big room, flat screen TV, also a mini bar. So say in the comments what you think about this hotel. Is if you stay, okay, is important for me to receive your feedback. I see in this right side the positive reviews, so absolutely beautiful hotel, had a fabulous time, will definitely be back, definitely won't book premium again. Amazing location, very clean, special room, and incredibly food. When you make the reserve for this hotel, you can book in booking, okay, or in the Barceló website, okay. Sorry for any mistake. My native language is Portuguese, not English, so I try my best, okay. My apology for anything. So this is a Barceló Fuerteventura Mar website. You see the price is better, is 166 euros per night, the double room, and in comparison with booking the price is higher, so double room is 190 euros. So when you make your reserve, make in this Barceló website, okay? So this is my recommendation, okay? Give a like in video and don't forget to subscribe. So this is pictures of the hotel, dining area, have 2 swimming pools. Very nice hotel. The view is amazing with the beachfront, a lot of stairs. Have a spa and wellness center. So you see, this is a great choice for Fuerteventura, and if you make a reserve in the Barceló website, is a great option. Dining area, very clean, very comfortable. The reviews, you see the lovely staff and specials, beautiful room, good food, big beautiful hotel. Reception were wonderfully friendly and welcome. Food was great. Everything was great. Food was lovely. Pools were clean. I love the salty water. So the pools is with salty water. Okay, this is why it is important see the reviews, the positive and bad reviews. Okay, when you make your reserve. This is a restaurant, playground for kids and big families. This is the view is amazing. This is like a marina view. Okay, so this is a beachfront, but near of center, near of marina. This is the beach, and this is the sea view of deluxe room. Okay, it's amazing. This deluxe room, the price with the sea view is almost 300 euros per night. Okay, but you see the view. So yeah, guys, this is a review of today, Barceló Fuerteventura Mar. I hope you like this review. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more reviews. We have around 300 reviews of hotels. Okay, and yeah, I wait you in my next video. Okay, my next review. See you. Thank you.